More. And then observe, while you're doing that, how do you feel? When you are doing whatever, if I'm asking you to attract or repel, obserbahan nyo ang sarili nyo. Okay, relax while you're doing it. Okay? Oh, ayos pa lang yun, no? Okay, ayos pa lang yun. Eto yon. Okay, yung energy na sinasabi ninyo, para mabuo yung sinasabi yung stage presence na yon. Okay, ito yon. Paggamit lahat ng parte ng katauhan ninyo, ng katawan ninyo. Okay, focusing. So again, I will ask something, and pakiramdaman nyo, obserbahan nyo sa sarili nyo, when you are being asked, when you are doing it, ano nararamdaman nyo? Okay? Now, with your hands, okay? Your hands, or hanggang arms, yan. Diyan lang naman tayo ngayon. Focus tayo, okay? Attract me. Kamay lang. Sige, kamay lang. Kamay lang. Hindi, ibig sabihin, nakuha mo ako. Binigyan kita ng reaksyon ko. Okay? Kamay lang. Parang naiba ng konti ito. May iba kanina.
Iba, nakaganan na po yung katawan. Hala. Pwede ba mag-iba, ma'am?
Wala pa ako sinasabi. More. Sige, you may change.
Lahat po?
Yung inakap ko, yung nilapitan ko, okay na yon. Wala akong pera.
Guys!
Okay. So, pagka inawakan ko yan, okay na yan. Change. Change.
Ano kayo nagagawa?
Binago mo. Parang ginaya mo yung akin.
Nag-mirror kayo. Try another
Sige,
one.
sige.
Okay, use your hands. Hands lang, not eyes, not eyes. Dito, gamitin mo yan. Sige. Think of ways how you can, okay, how you can attract me with your hands. Hands lang. More. Hands lang. Ibig sabihin, if it's not working, okay, doing more of the same thing will not work also. So try another attack. Yun yung sinasabi. If it's not working, then try a different one. Sa'yo, okay na eh.
Okay na po.
Oo, di ba nahawakan ko na kayo? Okay, yung try.
Another one.
Oo, another one. Yung una mo kanina,
Okay na siya.
anuhin mo pa, patingkarin mo pa. Attract mo pa ako.
Hirap gumagaling mo ba?
Nakabuka ka na.
Pati pa.
Hindi mata mo. Kamay. Choose any finger. Huwag mo akong murahin.